This is Sam. Sam's company recently decided to get tech-savvy in Microsoft Office 365. A smart choice, but not everyone in the office knew how to adapt to these technologies and productivity decreased drastically. Then Sam found Reset. Reset offers 5,000+ task-based training videos that helps users quickly become skilled in Microsoft Office 365, which saved Sam a lot of time and money. Here's how it works. Organizations like Sam's are given access to Reset's 5,000+ task-based training videos after registering, where they watch to-the-point video lessons created by Microsoft MVPs and security experts. From the Reset portal, admins can manage their team's learning by creating assignments, organizing users and reviewing activity reports. There is even gamification built in to motivate proactive learning. Now, everyone in Sam's company is happy and can channel the full power of Office 365. What are you waiting for? Contact us now to learn more.